Hey everyone, I'm Patryk. Today I'm going to show you how IT professionals create a multi-OS installation USB, one USB stick that can install multiple operating systems. This is one of the most useful tools for technicians because we can reimage a Windows PC, a server, or a Linux machine without having to carry 5 different flash drives. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to ventoy.net. Once there, click on Downloads. Click on Ventoy Windows Zip. Once it'll take you to this page. Once here, click on the download latest version. Give it 5 seconds it needs to download. Once downloaded, double click it to open it and drag it to your desktop. Once you have it on your desktop, let's just drag it over. Open the folder. Double click the ventoy to disk.exe and elevate your privileges. Select your USB from the drop down and click install. And let ventoy format the drive. When it's done, your USB will have 2 partitions. You don't have to touch them. Now your USB is ready to become a multi-OS installer. Okay, so we can close Ventoy now, and as that's done with the software. What we want to now do is we want to secure our OS files. So I have Windows 2025 Server, I have Ubuntu Server 24, and I have Windows 11. So now let's go and add these in. So we want to go to our USB drive. I'll just go over here, and all we need to do is just drag them over. So we'll let this drag over. I'm going to do a quick time lapse here, and I'll be back to you guys once this is done. Okay, so that's the files completed transferring over, and that is the USB drive ready. So we are ready to test it out on a Nether machine. So let's go ahead and do that just now. Okay, so I've just gone into the boot menu on a spare machine. I'm going to select USB, I'm going to press enter. And perfect, there we have Ventoy is now loaded. We have our Ubuntu, we've got our Windows 11 ISO, and we've got Windows Server 2025. Let's go and load Windows 11. We want to put in normal mode. And that is how you create a multi-OS USB like an IT professional. If you want a video on how to install Windows 11, deploy Windows Server, or set up Ubuntu, let me know. And if you enjoyed the video, why not drop a like and maybe subscribe. I'm Patryk, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.